it's Wednesday, which means it's our Wednesday exercise of the week. My name is Emmanuel Osasiri, your online personal trainer and wellness coach. And today we're going to be working on our legs for a home exercise with side-to-side lunges. So here we go. Okay, so you want to make sure that you have enough lateral space. We're going to be going side to side, and you have a plant leg and you have a stabilizing leg, okay? Your plant leg, we're going to work our quads. It's going to go out, bending our knee. Our stabilization leg stays straight, and then to get back up, we're going to squeeze our quads back to our starting position, okay? So it's going to look like this. And this is a good exercise to help you with stability. If you have balancing issues or core stability issues that you want to get stronger, this is a great way to work on your balance. And as you can see here from the top view, I'm making sure that my knee is perfectly tracked over my foot in proper alignment as I go down and squeeze that quad back up. Now, if any of that hurts your knees, or you feel uncomfortable, or you feel like you're losing your balance a little bit, no problem, here's your alternative. This time we're just gonna gauge the stride and shorten our stride that's on our stabilizing leg, okay? So it's gonna look like this. And back, and back, back, squeeze the quad, back up. So guys, the key is to kind of gauge where you're at. If going out too far is difficult for you, but taking smaller steps is too easy, then just try to find that common middle ground to where it's perfect for you. So as usual, I had a blast making this video for you guys. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, tap the subscribe button. Good luck on your fitness journey, and let's do this again sometime.